Check out this beautiful 1970 C-10 regular cab long box. Paint on this truck, kind of that medium blue teal, just absolutely stunning. Bright work on it's very, very nice. This truck has a great look to it. Also nice options, power steering, power brakes, 350 V8 underneath the hood. It is an era correct 350 under there, judging by the Suffolk code. So you can see the white top to it. Sliding rear window. Nice stance to it. Also some nice Chevy wheels riding on the BF Goodrich tires. A lot of miles left in them. This truck's also very nice in the interior and underside. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this truck, feel free to check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see the underside and how nice it is under there also. Bed is colored to match. Got a monocolored look to it. Just absolutely beautiful all the way around. Might be a couple little tiny dings right there. Otherwise, take a look up and down this just extremely straight truck. Right now, trucks are strong. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. We also have other trucks in stock, so you can check them all out. And again, Unique Classic Cars is where you can check out the website and all the vehicles that we have in stock. Yeah, just beautiful paint and straight truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up. This is also a great running truck. Up the dash and gauges. Turn the key and this one fires up. Nice little rumble out of that 350. Check out the gauges here. Looks like the battery works. Oil pressure. Gas gauge. Temperature positive works too once the temperature come up in it. Little era correct audio Vox FM added to it because this would only came with AM from the factory. Interior appears to be very stock also. Nice cloth bench seat, rear rips and tears. All around just straight up nice truck. Door closed, fit and finish. Not much I can say bad about this one. Come around to the back so you can hear it. Nice rumble out of that 350. Once again, give us a call if you're interested. 507-386-1726. Check out any of the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1970 C-10 regular cab long box. Beautiful driver.